In a sun-drenched backyard, Khazia, Atiqa, and Musfirah are absorbed in play. The children giggle as they reach for the colorful marbles. Khazia carefully picks up a marble. Atiqa arranges her marbles in neat rows. Musfirah watches her sisters, a look of curiosity on her face. Khazia shows her marble to Atiqa. Atiqa nods and returns to organizing the marbles. Musfirah reaches for a marble herself. Musfirah struggles to pick up the marble. Khazia helps Musfirah grasp the marble. Musfirah beams, holding the marble tightly. Atiqa completes her row of marbles. Khazia claps her hands. Atiqa smiles, pleased with her arrangement. Musfirah drops the marble. The marble rolls away. Musfirah starts to cry. Khazia hugs Musfirah. Khazia whispers soothing words to Musfirah. Musfirah's tears start to dry. Atiqa finds the runaway marble. Atiqa offers the marble back to Musfirah. Musfirah hesita des. Khazia encourages Musfirah to take it. Musfirah takes the marble. Musfirah clutches the marble tightly. The three sisters look at each other. Khazia smiles. Atiqa returns the smile. Musfirah giggles. They resume their game. The sisters play together, bathed in the warm sunlight. Their laughter echoes through the yard. Sunlight warms the backyard as Musfirah spots a pile of pink marbles. "I want the pink ones," Musfirah exclaims, her eyes fixed on the prize. A plaintive cry pierces the air. "But I want pink too." Khazia steps in, her voice a beacon of reason. "Let's share them fairly." Under the radiant sun, the sisters assemble in the backyard, anticipation swirling as they ready themselves for a hopping contest. Khazia declares, "Whoever hops the farthest wins." Atiqa protests the terms. "That's not fair." In the sun-drenched backyard, Khazia gestures, speaking to Musfirah with earnest conviction. Khazia asserts, "Playing by the rules means everyone gets an equal chance." "Musfirah, you get one turn just like everyone else." Musfirah nods, her face reflecting understanding. The kitchen is filled with the comforting aroma of freshly baked cookies as sunlight dances through the air. Their mother smiles, beckoning them into the heart of the home. "Come inside, dears." Atiqa's anticipation bubbles as she asks, "How many do we get?" Their mother's gentle voice fills the room as she responds, "3 each." Musfirah's hand stretches toward the cookies, a sweet indulgence within reach. Khazia stops Musfirah, her touch a gentle reminder of balance and equality. Khazia's voice softens. "Remember, fairness means everyone gets the same. Let's each take 3. In the sun-drenched backyard, children's joyful shouts fill the air as they play hide and seek. Atiqa discovers a perfect hiding spot, melting into the shadows. Time stretches, and Atiqa remains hidden, a silent victor. Emerging from her secret place, Atiqa declares triumphantly, "I won." Khazia concedes, "Yes, you did. That was fair." As the children prepare for a game of tag, it is clear that Musfirah can't run as fast. Khazia suggests, "Let's make it fair." "Well, give Musfirah a head start." As dusk settles, the sky transforms into a canvas of orange and purple, with a soft breeze whispering through the trees. Mother calls out, "It's time to clean up." Khazia starts to gather the scattered marbles. Atiqa carefully folds the colorful playmat. Musfirah neatly places the toys back into the basket. Khazia, with a sense of accomplishment, declares, "Working together is also being fair." In the night's embrace, Khazia, Atiqa, and Musfirah huddle together in the soft glow of their bedroom. Khazia's voice cuts through the silence. "Fairness means sharing, playing by the rules, and helping each other. Did we all do that today?"